Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Daewoo dryer which looks exactly like Samsung dryers, and so everything is open apart. I just put these stuff here that you can see how this dryer looks. Otherwise everything is open apart. You can find your model number when you open the door. You would see it and there. That's your model number. So I'm gonna take this off too. Okay, so I was originally in this customer house. Their complaint was that it makes a lot of noise. I came here, took everything out and open apart. I opened everything apart. I checked my roller wheels, they are in good shape. I checked my idler pulley, it was in good shape. I checked the motor pulley, that was fine. And then I found that the bolt is stripped from here. So if you turn this, you can see it runs, and if I turn the motor from that side, you see the bolt, it's kind of broken from there. So what I did was I went to the website to look for this part. I did not find it, but the good part was that what I did, most of the parts are not available for this unit. So I measured this roll, the blower wheel, from this side to that side it's 8 inch, and then from here to the back it's 3 inch, which is perfectly for that. I can use it. The another thing, you want to make sure that you have opening here, because most of the pulleys, if you get it from a different model, you don't have this opening, and instead there's a bumpy plastic there. So that's not gonna work. Even if the size is perfect, 8 inch to 3 inch, it will still not work. So I found this part from LG dryers. The actual part for this part is DE1002A as an alpha, and Sapco companies are making this. It's not exactly from LG, it's from Sapco. Sapco is a company that makes lots of appliances parts. So for opening that bolt, it's almost impossible to open it with hand if you don't have a special tool, or if you want to use a wrench or any kind of other tool. It's not going to work. You really need a socket for this. The socket that you need for this is the 916 deep socket, and one of these drill bits that you can use it there, and also an impact drill. I love my drill, it's really nice. If you're careful to not strip all the screws all the time, you can use something like this. This is my favorite drill, so it's impact and I can use it on normal stuff. So this goes here, and then I'll put the 916 drill bit. Another thing, I got my vice grip. I'm gonna hold this piece with my vice grip with one hand, and it's gonna stay on top of the idler pulley. Before I open that, I took this plastic cover off that goes like that. It has a teeth that sits there, and excuse me.
I gotta pull the car out really quick.
Okay, do you want to get my key? I can give you my key.
Yeah, I can go ahead and do it for you.
Thanks.
I didn't want to open it because I thought you'd be right by the door.
No, it's all right here.
Awesome, I'll be right back.
Thanks. So I'm gonna hold it from the back side, and then I'm gonna use my drill as a clockwise. So this bolt only comes when you use it clockwise. So I'm gonna put my phone here. I got this. I'm gonna hold this here. You're gonna impact it. already off. Let's see if I can open the rest. So one bolt came out, but I'm gonna have to fight a little bit with that screw that holds this. Here, this came out too, and the last part is it's a really tight fit. I was able to pull it that way. Other ways you can also open this whole piece.
There you go, man.
Thank you. Yeah. Other ways you can open this whole piece, which is a little bit bigger job than normal, and then this comes out bad. I did it this way, so it's working for me really good. This piece is out. And I'll put this piece back in. And from the back it also looks the same. This piece goes there. This piece goes on top. It's a perfect fit. And then I'll put this back again on my drill. This time I'm gonna go counterclockwise, so it means on the drill it looks like I'm opening it, but in fact it's gonna retight it. I'll have to hold the back of the motor pulley with my vice grip and then retight this. So it's probably not sitting properly. Okay, I'm gonna play with this and then install it, because I don't like to make my videos longer than 10 minutes. I hope you guys would fix your Daewoo dryers the same way. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.